Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Let me show you something you're gonna flip for.
Look at this perpetual motion machine. This thing is so cool. It's very easy to use. You simply push the power button and make sure that it's fully charged, and the ball will continue in this loop for as long as you want it to. We've had it on for several hours before. Then you press the power button again and the ball stays still at the bottom. There's a light indication at the bottom of it to tell you how far the charge is. There's green, red, and blue, and all of those colors indicate different things. It was very easy to charge, and it didn't take very long, and then it's ready for hours of play. One of the things that I really liked about it is the material that it's made out of. It's very lightweight. It has a pretty look to it with the wood finish and the chrome ramp. It is made out of a plastic material, so if it falls, it's not going to break, and I liked that. It comes with 5 metal balls and a charging cable. We have put all 5 balls in there at once, and it goes for a little while, but it usually ends up one of the balls hitting another ball, and then they fly off everywhere, and then you're chasing little metal balls around. But it does work sometimes, as you can see.
So this little ball machine is so cool. It's given us a lot of entertainment and a little science lesson. But that's just my point of view.